my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and you are giving proper attention to your studies, isn't it? Very good. So today we are going to study chapter number 11 of your EVS textbook, Valley of Flowers. As you can see in this pic only, there are a lot of flowers in a row. So such pic is like of the Valley of Flowers. And today we are going to study importance of flowers in our life and various uses of flowers as well. So first of all, the Valley of Flowers is in the hills of Uttaranchal. You can see in the map, red area is shown where the Valley of Flowers is there, and also second pic is of the Valley of Flowers, original pic of Valley of Flowers. Now see this picture. This is Madhubani painting. It is a very old folk art from Madhubani district in Bihar. Colors used in this painting are very special. They are made from flowers and trees. Also, these paintings of human figures, animals, birds and flowers are made in this type of art. And the colors which are used are from turmeric, neem and flowers and trees. So it is very special and very old one. Now we can see where we find flowers. First of all, flowers grow on trees are like palash and gulmohar. Few flowers we find on bushes like rose and lavender. Few flowers grow on creepers like coral vine and jasmine. Few flowers grow on water plants like lotus and water lily. There are many flowers which only bloom at night like Rat Ki Rani and moonflower. And there are few flowers which bloom in day and close at night. These are sunflower and morning glory flower. Also, few flowers are recognized by their scent like rose and jasmine. Few flowers bloom all year around like Sadabahar and rose. And few flowers bloom only in certain months like marigold and tulip. Now, have you seen this pic? Where have you seen this pic which says do not pluck flowers? Yes, I have seen this in gardens and parks. We have seen these boards in parks and gardens. This board instructs us not to pluck flowers. Flowers add beauty of the nature. There are many children that pluck flowers for no reason. So we should also tell such children not to pluck flowers. Now what can you see in this pic? There are two birds and two flowers. So kids, can you know from this pic only what is the difference between birds and flowers? This picture shows a flower as well as birds. Flower grows from its bud. A bud blooms into a flower. When a bud grows and it opens up, petals of the flower emerges from it and then it blooms into a full flower. Now we should see various uses of flowers. Few flowers are eaten like kachnar flower, banana flower, sahajan flower. And from few flowers medicines are made like rose and sunflower. Now few flowers colors are made like marigold, zinnia, hibiscus. Also we made perfume from flowers like rose flower, jasmine and lily flower. And you know, for decoration work flowers are used and also for worshipping God. So these are marigold, rose, orchid and many other flowers. Any flower can be used for decoration and for worshipping God. Also one very important fact. Kannauj district in Uttar Pradesh is famous for perfumes. Right kids? Now in comment box you have to tell me names of any of your favorite flowers. Any two flowers. And also instruct kids outside your home not to pluck flowers. So I hope you understand today's PPT and today's lesson. And please do your worksheet on time. Thank you kids. Have a great day. Bye-bye.